Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Xerox, and today, we're unleashing the future with a mind-blowing exploration of some of the most powerful AI tools that you will definitely like. But before we dive in, do me a favor, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you never miss out on our AI tools adventures. Alright, let's jump right into it. First on this list is bigjpg.com. bigjpg.com is a website that provides image upscaling services. It allows users to enlarge or upscale their images using advanced algorithms. The amazing thing about this platform is that it maintains as much detail and clarity as possible while upscaling your images. Let's check it out. We're going to use this photo for the demonstration. On their website, upload your photo. Once uploaded, click Start and set the image type to artwork because that gives better results. Set upscaling to 4x, but can take it up to 16x once you upgrade to a paid plan. And lastly, set the noise reduction to low. Hit OK and wait for the result and you are done. Download it, and here is the result. Check out how it upscaled the image and still maintains clarity and details. Next is Immerse. This tool helps creators to generate copyright-free images from a source image file. Let's say you have this image that suits the content you are creating, but it's not copyright-free. This is where Immerse comes in handy. Simply upload that image to immerse.zone, and it will search for similar images that are copyright-free with high quality and resolution. Let me quickly show you what I mean. Upload your image and wait for it to upload and generate. That's it, all these images are free to use. You can also generate image by sketch, by drawing something and hit generate. And finally, you can also generate images by quote. Amazing! Thanks for tuning in to explore the incredible world of AI tools. Remember, your next masterpiece is just a click away. Stay inspired, stay creative, and until next time, happy creating!